Okay, these little pesky things are gonna take forever. Little bitty. Look at that. And these are needle nose. Like, come on. Like, there's gotta be a better way. I mean, for real though. See, look at that effort into one measly staple. So if you don't know, I am taking out the carpet from my stairs and replacing with vinyl. And several people said, oh, you gotta take out the staples, you gotta take out the nails. You don't want to poke holes in your vinyl. No, I don't. But golly, can these things not just be pounded into the wood instead of me yanking them out? I mean, there's just got to be a better way than all this effort going into these pesky little staples. OMG. And this is my first step. And I got 14. Like, I'm already done.